Have you guys ever felt like the walls in your house were just crumbling in on you? Everywhere you looked was a mess. The kids are screaming, everybody in the house is getting on your nerves, and you're just about to go bonkers? Well, that's how I felt this past weekend. And when that happens, I make my girls go upstairs for quiet time, and my husband and I just straightened up the house. And you would be amazed on how it just completely lifts the mood. It changes the energy in the home. Everybody's in a much better mood. Everybody's a lot calmer. And so I'm just so happy that I did it. And so I thought I'd film it to share if any of you guys are dealing with anxiety or just feeling like, pressure or just stress all the time. Take an assessment around your home to see if there's areas that are cluttered, because sometimes that really helps with our mood. So I thought I'd film this for motivation. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Gia. I'm a working mom who posts all types of videos. Take a look around. Join my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button down below, as well as the little bell next to it. And for those already subscribed, welcome back. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like this type of video, and leave a comment down below and let me know, what do you guys do to de-stress, or what are some of the things that you do helps lift the mood in your home and the energy in your home? I would love to know. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, you can tap my picture on the screen, and you can also check out my previous video right next to it, and all of my social media platforms all listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.